Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of language models and their real world applications. Language models like GPT have revolutionized how we interact with technology, making machines more capable of understanding and generating human language. From chatbots to translation tools, their influence is everywhere. In this video, we'll explore the many ways language models are shaping our daily lives, transforming industries, and opening up new possibilities for communication and creativity. Let's start by understanding what language models are and why they matter so much in today's digital age. Language models are advanced algorithms trained to understand, generate, and manipulate human language. They analyze vast amounts of text data to learn patterns, grammar, and context. This allows them to predict the next word in a sentence, answer questions, or even write entire articles. The most popular language models today use deep learning techniques, making them highly accurate and versatile. As we move forward, you'll see how these models are not just theoretical, they're powering real applications that impact our everyday experiences. One of the most visible uses of language models is in chatbots and virtual assistants. Think of Siri, Alexa, or customer service bots on websites. These systems use language models to understand your questions and provide helpful responses. They can schedule appointments, answer FAQs, and even hold casual conversations. This technology has made customer support more efficient and accessible, allowing businesses to serve users around the clock. The next time you chat with a bot, remember, it's a language model at work. Language models have transformed the way we break language barriers. Machine translation tools like Google Translate rely on these models to convert text from one language to another. They analyze context, grammar, and idioms to provide accurate translations. This has made global communication easier, helping travelers, businesses, and students connect across cultures. The accuracy and fluency of translations continue to improve as language models evolve, making the world a little smaller and more connected. Writers and marketers are increasingly turning to language models for help with content creation. These models can generate blog posts, social media updates, product descriptions, and more. By analyzing existing content, they can mimic different writing styles and tones. This not only speeds up the writing process but also helps maintain consistency across large volumes of content. Whether you're crafting a catchy headline or a detailed article, language models are powerful creative partners. Ever wished you could get the gist of a long article in seconds? Summarization tools powered by language models make this possible. They read through lengthy documents and extract the most important points, presenting concise summaries. This is invaluable for students, researchers, and professionals who need to process large amounts of information quickly. By saving time and highlighting key insights, summarization tools are changing how we consume information. Language models excel at classifying text into categories. For example, they can sort emails into spam or important, detect sentiment in reviews, or organize news articles by topic. This ability is crucial for managing information overload in our digital lives. Businesses use text classification to automate workflows, improve customer experience, and gain insights from user feedback. It's a behind-the-scenes application that keeps our digital world organized. Understanding how people feel is vital for businesses and organizations. Sentiment analysis uses language models to determine whether a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. Companies use this to monitor brand reputation, analyze customer feedback, and tailor marketing strategies. By gauging public opinion in real time, organizations can respond quickly to trends and issues. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool for staying connected to your audience's emotion. Search engines have become smarter thanks to language models. When you type a query, these models help interpret your intent and deliver more relevant results. They understand synonyms, context, and even complex questions. This means you get answers faster and with greater accuracy. Language models also power features like autocomplete and voice search, making information retrieval seamless and intuitive. Ever noticed how streaming platforms or online stores suggest content or products you might like? Language models analyze your preferences and browsing history to make personalized recommendations. By understanding your interests and behavior, these systems deliver tailored suggestions, enhancing your experience and keeping you engaged. This application is widely used in e-commerce, entertainment, and news platforms. Language models play a key role in speech recognition systems. When you use voice commands on your phone or dictate a message, these models help convert spoken words into text. They handle different accents, languages, and noisy environments, making voice interfaces more reliable. This technology is essential for accessibility, allowing people with disabilities to interact with devices more easily. Writing error-free text is easier than ever thanks to language models. Tools like Grammarly use these models to detect grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and awkward phrasing. They offer suggestions for improvement, helping users communicate more clearly and professionally. Whether you're drafting an email or writing an essay, grammar checkers powered by language models are invaluable writing companions. Academic institutions and publishers rely on language models to detect plagiarism. These systems compare submitted texts against vast databases to identify copied or paraphrased content. By ensuring originality, plagiarism detection tools uphold academic integrity and protect intellectual property. This application is crucial in education, journalism, and research. Developers are increasingly using language models to generate code snippets, debug errors, and even write entire programs. Tools like GitHub Copilot leverage these models to understand natural language prompts and produce relevant code. This accelerates software development, reduces errors, and makes programming more accessible to beginners. Language models are becoming indispensable in the world of coding. Healthcare language models assist with tasks like summarizing patient records, generating medical reports, and answering clinical questions. They help doctors save time and reduce administrative burdens, allowing more focus on patient care. Language models also support telemedicine by enabling natural language conversations between patients and healthcare providers. Their role in medicine is growing rapidly, improving both efficiency and outcome. Law firms and legal departments use language models to review contracts, analyze case law, and extract key information from lengthy documents. This automation speeds up legal research and reduces the risk of human error. By quickly identifying relevant clauses or precedents, language models help lawyers make informed decisions and provide better service to clients. In finance, language models analyze news articles, earnings reports, and social media to gauge market sentiment and predict trends. They can automate report generation, detect fraud, and assist with compliance. By processing vast amounts of unstructured data, language models give financial professionals a competitive edge in decision-making and risk management. Businesses collect massive amounts of customer feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media. Language models help analyze this data to identify common themes, detect issues, and measure satisfaction. This enables companies to respond proactively, improve products, and enhance customer experience. Feedback analysis powered by language models is essential for staying competitive in today's market. Language models are widely used to monitor social media platforms for trends, public sentiment, and emerging issues. Brands and organizations track conversations to manage reputation, respond to crises, and engage with audiences. By processing vast streams of real-time data, language models help make sense of the digital noise and extract actionable insights. Education is being transformed by language models. They power intelligent tutoring systems, automated grading, and personalized learning experiences. Students can get instant feedback on assignments, while teachers save time on administrative tasks. Language models also make learning more accessible by providing explanations, summaries, and translations tailored to individual needs. Authors and storytellers are using language models to brainstorm ideas, develop plots, and even co-write stories. These models can generate dialogue, describe scenes, and suggest twists, sparking creativity and overcoming writer's block. Whether for novels, screenplays, or games, language models are becoming valuable creative collaborators. Game developers use language models to create dynamic dialogues, generate quests, and design interactive narratives. This makes games more immersive and responsive to player choices. By automating content creation, language models help studios save time and resources while delivering richer gaming experiences. Language models are making technology more accessible for people with disabilities. They power tools like screen readers, voice-to-text converters, and real-time captioning. These solutions help users navigate digital content, communicate more easily, and participate fully in society. Accessibility is a key area where language models are making a real difference. Email services use language models to filter out spam, prioritize important messages, and organize your inbox. By analyzing the content and context of emails, these models help ensure that you see what matters most and avoid unwanted clutter. This automation keeps communication efficient and secure. Modern vehicles are equipped with voice assistants powered by language models. Drivers can control navigation, play music, or send messages hands-free. This enhances safety and convenience, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road while interacting with their car systems naturally. Some news organizations use language models to generate reports on financial markets, sports, and weather. These systems can quickly turn raw data into readable articles, keeping audiences informed in real time. Automated news generation helps media outlets cover more stories and respond rapidly to breaking events. Personal finance apps use language models to analyze spending habits, generate budget suggestions, and answer user queries. By understanding natural language input, these apps make financial planning more intuitive and accessible. Users can get instant advice on saving, investing, or managing expenses. Market researchers leverage language models to analyze customer opinions, track trends, and generate reports. By processing large volumes of unstructured data from surveys, reviews, and social media, these models provide valuable insights for product development and marketing strategies. Banks and online platforms use language models to detect fraudulent activities by analyzing transaction descriptions, emails, and chat logs. These systems flag suspicious behavior in real time, helping prevent financial losses and protect users. Fraud detection powered by language models is a critical part of modern security infrastructure. As we've seen, language models are transforming countless aspects of our lives, from communication and creativity to business and security. Their applications continue to expand as technology advances, promising even more innovative solutions in the future. Whether you're chatting with a virtual assistant, reading a machine-generated article, or receiving personalized recommendations, language models are working behind the scenes to make your experience smarter and more seamless. The journey of language models is just beginning, and their potential is truly limitless.